Okay, hello students. In the last video you saw the how to create the text box and all, how to format the text box. Now in this video we see the how to creating the blank publication window. Now how to connect the text boxes to each other. Next is the typography. What is the typography means? In that typography you have some points, that is drop cap, number style, stylistic set, swash and ligature. Okay, now we'll see the practically what is this and how to perform this. Okay, I open here Microsoft Publisher. All of you know how to open Microsoft Publisher. Go to start window, then all program, then Microsoft Office and open the Publisher window. Otherwise in search box directly type here Publisher. Okay, after opening Publisher, see I selected blank page here. After selecting the blank page, you have to connect the text boxes. In the last video you saw this, how to draw the text box and all. Okay, in the last video I only draw one text box. Okay, now in this video you have to connect all the text boxes, one or two or three or many. Okay, now how to connect these text boxes here? First, in the home tab, see the text box option is here, home tab and object group. In object group you have to select the text box here. After selecting the text box here, go on your blank page. Okay, blank. After going on the blank page, you have to drag and drop your text box. Suppose I am dragging and dropping my text box here like this. Okay, see this is my one text box I added. After that I am drawing another text box. I want one more text box here, so I will draw one more text box. Again select the text box and drag and drop on your page. Okay, I draw another text box. I want one more, the third text box. Again I am going in the home tab and selecting the draw text box option and drawing my text box here. Okay, now I have three text box. You are able to see this text box? No. So I am clicking on see. When I cursor over here, my text box is there. Okay, so when you click, if you don't able to see this text box, then click and give the background color or the border color to the text box. Okay, okay, now how to give the border color to the text box? Select this text box like this. I selected this text box. After selecting, see, you can give the background color like this. From here also outline or from shape outline here also. Okay, you can give any color. I am selecting another text box and give the background color here, border color here. Okay, now I will able to see my text boxes here. Now I am increasing the size of this text box here. See, drag and drop it down. See, I increasing the size of the text box here. Okay, now I have three text boxes on my blank page. This is one, this is second and this is the third one. Okay, I have total three text boxes on my blank page. Okay, now what you have to write on this text box here? In your textbook, page number 69, one topic is given, that is grow more trees. You can select that topic, same topic as it is. Otherwise you can select any topic which are there in your mind. Okay, suppose I am selecting here save tiger, or you can select here save tree. Okay, I am typing here save tree. Okay, see this size is very small, this font size is very small. So what should we have to do? Select this size and go to home tab. In the home tab you can able to see this font group here. Select the font size from here and make it as a 72. Okay, now after typing this, after increasing the font size, I want to put here the alignment, that is center alignment. Okay, now if you want to give the color, you can give the color from here. Okay, you can give any color from here. Understood? Again, next one is, okay, now I gave here title. Okay, my page title is what? Save tree. Now another text box I am typing here about the tree. Suppose I am typing here about the trees, like, okay, I just copy and paste it here. This is, so this text is also too small, so select this text and increase the font size. Okay, see, understood? Now all are able to see this, what I typed here. A tree is a tall plant with a trunk and branches made of wood, like this. Okay, now what is our topic? Now we want to complete this text box and it will be continue with the another text box. Okay, suppose see I am typing here randomly, enter, and I am typing here something randomly. What is happening here? My text is going down. See, my text is going down. Okay, but I don't want this. My text is going down. I don't want like this. I just want to continue my text to another text box. Okay, means after I finish this writing here, this writing will be continued to the this third text box. Okay, so how to connect these two text boxes to each other? Now we'll see how to connect the two text boxes here. Okay, now see how to connect these two text boxes. When you select this text box, okay, after finish your typing, go to format tab, the second format tab, and select link, create a link. Okay, you need to create a link here. When I click on the link here, after that see the mug icon will be shown here. Okay, this is the mug icon, means what? This is full. See, in this text box is full. It will showing me this text box is full. Now you have to put your data, continue your data with the another text box with this. Okay, means you have to put your data in this text box, third text box. Okay, so I will create this third text box here. Understood? This is, I created the link here. Now after that, after creating link, when I come in my second text box, suppose I am typing here randomly, see what is happening? It will directly go to my third text box here. Okay, means I create a link which are connected, that two text boxes are connected to each other. Understood how to connect the text boxes to each other? Okay, likewise you can connect the link here. Okay, if you want to give the background color here, then select the text box and go to format and give the shape fill, that is a background color. Okay, likewise you can give the background color to all your text boxes which are added on your page. Okay, see, again I am selecting the third text box and I am giving the next color. Okay, likewise you can create your publication document with inserting the text boxes, okay, and connecting the text boxes, one text box to the another text box. Understood, students? Okay, now next topic is your drop cap typography. In typography, this topic we saw in the next video. Okay, if you have any doubts, students, please put your questions in the comment box. Okay, students, thank you so much. Have a nice day.